So our house is finally empty. So there's nothing left in here. We are still in our lease, so we still have time left here in the house, but we have cleared the space out because I'm actually going to head to Texas, guys. Going home to see my family. My sister is in need of a makeover for her home, and my mother is also in need of a makeover, so I'm gonna go there for about a month, guys. Once I get there, I'm gonna probably be staying with my mom for a little bit in my old bedroom that I'm actually gonna help make over, and then I'm going to go to my sister's house and surprise the boys because I'm going to be makeovering their room. I'm gonna do a kids makeover for my nephews. So one bedroom is going to be a primary color theme with robots, and then the other one's bedroom is going to be car theme. He loves cars, so we're going to go with cars, sports cars. He's getting older, so it needs to be mature. So that's what we're gonna do. But guys, I just wanted to come on here, say hello. I'm actually about to hop in the shower real quick because I am heading to the airport. All right, guys, so we just made it to the airport.
We're here, another day. Last day in Nashville for her, huh, baby?
Last day here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss my baby. We packed up the house. It's cleared out now, and
Almost. I still got to paint, do a couple things.
Yes, he still got a few more things, but other than that, it's good. But yes, guys, I'm here at the airport, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull my bags out. Alright, guys, so I just made it out of the airport. I am ordering my dad to come pick me up. Got all my bags, got a lot of bags. I'm talking about a lot of bags. So we got 3 different bags here. But yeah, you should be coming. My daddy's calling me, guys. Hello? I don't know, it says A2. It says A2. Here's my daddy, guys. Say hello, daddy. Hi. Good morning, everyone. So I made it to Texas. I am actually sitting here in my childhood bedroom, guys. It used to be like pink and blue, but recently my mom and dad came in here, painted it this like creamy light cream color, and we are going to actually come in and redecorate this room. I used to have I think it was a full-size bed in here, a side table, dresser, but we actually took that, well, my parents did, they took the twin bed and my dresser, different things, and gave it to my sister, so it's going to be in my nephew's room, which I'm also going to design. So let me actually just turn this around and show you what the room looks like right now. So when you come into the room, so this used to be the blue wall here. I used to have a quote here on this wall, and then the remaining walls used to be like, I don't know, like that pink color down there. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't even like pink, so I don't know why. But yeah, but since then, my mom switched it to purple and blue. But then now what she did was we switched out the bed. It used to be over here on this wall. It used to be a full-size bed right in this corner, and that used to be my side table. That used to be here, and then I had a dresser here, and then this thing used to be here. So what I recommended my parents do was once they switch out the bed, this is now a queen size bed. So I recommend that they put it right here at this window, center it, and then we put these two, even though they don't match, they still work, but they're gonna be nightstands. So I have them two right here. These are all things and items that were my old stuff. I used to have shelves here that were on the wall. We might actually put these shelves back just to display all my mom's Delta items. So she wants this to be her Delta room / guest room. So I kind of want to, I think that I do want to go ahead and put that. We'll put some curtains here. I need to figure out what I want to do here. At first I thought I could fit a desk here with a chair, but it's very small, so I'm probably just gonna leave it like this and get a what is this, like a TV stand to go here. And then I can have a TV here. But yes, guys, this is the overlook of the space so far. But yeah, guys, that's all. I just wanted to come out here really quick and let y'all know that I made it here to Texas. I don't know if I'm gonna start with this room. I think I might actually head to my sister's first and look at my nephew's rooms, and we might do that this weekend. Spray paint the beds, get the furniture together, order all the items. So yeah, I'm gonna stop there, guys. I'm sorry I have my little bonnet on my head. I just woke up again, as you know. But yeah, this is the space. I can't wait to decorate it. It looks so much better now that the walls are painted, because guys, again, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. I think it was like, no, it wasn't this. Whatever. I think I have some before photos. I will insert the before photos of the way this room looks before, and then just show y'all what I'm doing.
This is some of the trim I started on. It's harder than what I thought. Getting too old.